Now in this class we will discuss equation of line passing through 2 points, or sometimes we call this equation as 2 point form. See here we have this line on which we have 3 points A, B and C. Okay. Now here this point C is a variable point. Now A, B, P are collinear. Whenever we see 3 points are collinear, means they have a common property, that is slope of AB must be equal to slope of AC. Okay, slope of AB equal to slope of AC. So slope of AB will be y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Slope of AC will be y minus y1 upon x minus x1. Now rearrange this, we'll get y minus y1 is equals to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. This term represent slope of line. This is called 2 point form of a line. Okay, here this equation is passing through two known points A and B. Here the point A and point B will be known to us. So whenever we have two known points, then we use this equation. Remember this equation, y minus y1 is equals to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. Now let us see this equation of line in intercept form. Let x-intercept be A, y-intercept equal to B. Intercept is nothing but the distance of line from origin on x-axis for x-intercept. Y-intercept means the distance of a point of a line on y-axis at a distance of B from origin. See here in this figure, here we have a coordinate axis, then this is the straight line making x-intercept A, y-intercept B. Here we have x-intercept A, y-intercept B. So whenever a line has x-intercept A and y-intercept B, then the line will meet the x-axis at A of small a comma 0 and meet the y-axis at capital B of 0 comma B. Okay, so x-intercept is nothing but the distance of the line from origin to the point of intersection with x-axis. Similarly, y-intercept means the distance between point of intersection of this line with y-axis to the origin. Okay, now so the line meets the coordinate axis at capital A of a comma 0 and B of 0 comma B. Here we have seen that this is are the 2 points. Now equation of line can be obtained by using 2 point formula. Here I am using 2 point formula to get the equation of intercept form. So substitute the values here. Let us take this as x1, this as x1, y1 and this as x2, y2. Now put these values in this equation. We will get the intercept form, that is x by a plus y by b equal to 1. This is called intercept form. Just intercept form. Here this A refers to x-intercept and this B refers to y-intercept. If we have been given x-intercept and y-intercept, then that line will meet the coordinate axis at a of a comma 0 and b of 0 comma b. Right. Now let us move to the next equation in other form, that is slope intercept form. Let slope be m and y intercept be c. Okay, here we are taking slope and y intercept. Okay, y intercept is c. Y intercept is nothing but the value of y when x is 0. Meaning of y intercept is value of y when x is 0. It means that we are taking a point on y axis, because on y axis we have x value 0. So here we have a point 0 comma c. So y intercept is nothing but this length, this vertical length. Y intercept means vertical length, that is the distance between point of intersection of this line with y axis with the origin. Okay, this is y intercept, and here we have slope m. So when these two quantities are known, when we know the slope and y intercept, then we use this equation y is equals to mx plus c. Here the line meet y axis at 0 comma c, right? It meets the y axis at 0 comma c. Now we are using point slope form, y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. So this one, let us take this 0 comma c as x1 y1. Now put these two values in this equation, you will get y equal to mx plus c. This is slope is m here, intercept is c here. Which intercept? Y intercept. This is y intercept, because here we have y. Y intercept is nothing but the value of y when x is 0. Okay. Now let us move to this question. Here we have, find the equation of line having y intercept 4 and is perpendicular to the line joining 2 comma minus 3 and 4 comma 2. Now let us take these 2 points as a and b. Here we have a 2 comma minus 3, other point is b, that is 4 comma 2. Now we have to find out this equation of this line. Here he said perpendicular. Perpendicular means the angle between these two should be 90 degree. Okay. Now this question mark line is having some intercept, that is y intercept. Let us take this as point 0 comma 4, because y intercept means the value will be 0 for x. So this one is having this point. Now if I able to get the slope, of this line, then I can use point slope form. Okay, point slope form, but the requirement is slope here. Now it is given here lines are perpendicular. Lines are perpendicular means we know this property, that is product of the slopes of two perpendicular lines will be minus 1. We may use this property here. Now first of all, I will get the slope of this line AB. Let us take the slope will be m1. Now here I want m2. Now let us solve this question in this way. First get the slope. Slope of line AB will be y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So this is x1, y1, x2, y2. So y2 is 2 minus y1. Y1 is minus 3 upon x2. x2 is 4 minus x1 is 2. So I'll get 5 by 2. Now slope of required line, which is perpendicular, okay, which is perpendicular to AB, that is line AB, is, let us take it as m2, and we use the property m1 m2 equal to -1, so this will be -1 by m1. So I have to take reciprocal of this slope with opposite sign, so 5 by 2 will become 2 by 5 with opposite sign. So this will be the slope of the required line. Now equation of required line passing through 0, 4 and having slope -2 by 5 is y minus y1 is equals to m into x minus x1. So y minus, let us take this as x1, y1. So y1 will be 4, m value is -2 by 5 into x minus x1 will be 0. So here cross multiply this here, 5, here I will get 5y minus 20 equal to minus 2x, or rearrange this, I will get 2x plus 5y minus 20 equal to 0. Or this can also be solved as here y-intercept means, let us take this as c. So y-intercept is given, that is 4, and we got the slope m is equals to -2 by 5. We can use this formula also, y is equals to mx plus c. So here we have y is equals to m value is 2 by 5, x plus c value is 4. Now cross multiply, I'll get 5y, or multiply this equation by 5, I'll get -2x plus 20. So rearrange this, I'll get 2x plus 5y minus 20 equal to 0. Okay, in either way you can get the solution. The equation of the straight line making an intercept of 3 units on y-axis and inclined at 45 degree to x-axis. So he is asking about intercept and y-axis, means this value is y-intercept. Okay, y-intercept is mentioned. Y-intercept is nothing but, let us take it as c equal to 3. Incline means the angle, inclination means angle. So the solution will be given y-intercept. Y-intercept is denoted by letter C, that will be 3. Now inclination is nothing but theta. Inclination means angle made by line with x-axis, that will be 45 degree. Now we want slope. Slope formula is m is equals to, when theta is mentioned we take tan theta. When theta is given, then we use m equal to tan theta, tan 45 degree, tan 45 is 1. Now we may use this equation y is equals to mx plus c, because here intercept is given and inclination is given. So y is equals to m value is 1 into x plus c value is 3. So x plus 3. Hence the answer will be x minus 3 plus 3 equal to 0 is the equation of straight line. x intercept of the line parallel to this line and passing through 2 3 is, okay, he is asking x intercept. So the question is asking x intercept is what, and line parallel to this. Okay, we have a given line. First we have been given this line. Given line is 4x plus 7y is equals to 9. Let us take this as equation 1. Now parallel line, parallel to equation 1, parallel line equation to 1 will be same for this much part. This will be 4x plus 7y is equals to some constant, let us take lambda, with the equation 2 is the required equation which is parallel. Now in the question it is given that equation 2, that is required line, is passing through 2 comma 3. So this is x and y. Put this value in equation 2. 4 into 2 plus 7 into 3 equal to lambda. So the value of lambda will be 8 plus 21. Okay, this will be 29. Now the equation 2 becomes 4x plus 7y is equals to 29. He is asking x intercept. So x intercept means y value will be 0. X intercept means y value will be 0. So if I put y0 here, this will be 4x is equals to 29. So x is equals to 29 by 4 units. So this is the x intercept. X intercept means value of x for which y is 0. That is a point. It indicates a point A on x-axis that will be at a distance of 29 by 4 units from origin. Find the equation of a line which passes through the point and cut off the positive intercepts on the axis whose sum is 7. Okay, whenever this word intercept comes, so we may use equation of line in intercept form. Let the equation be x by a plus y by b is equals to 1, because he mentioned intercepts. So the moment you heard this word intercept, take intercept form of a line, that is x by a plus y by b equal to 1. Now one more thing in the question here, he said passes through. So equation 1 passes through minus 3 comma 8, means take this as x and this is y. Put these values in this equation 1, I'll get minus 3 by a plus 8 by b is equals to 1. Now take LCM here, I'll get a into b will be ab, so in numerator I'll get 3b plus 8a upon ab. Just cross multiply here. Now this will become minus 3b plus 8a is equals to ab. Right, we got an equation with two unknowns a and b. And one more thing is given, another condition is whose sum is 7, means sum of intercepts. Here we have two intercepts, x intercept and y intercept. This is x intercept and this is y intercept. So sum of intercepts is nothing but A plus B is equals to 7. Now from here I am taking B value as 7 minus A. Now let us take this as equation 2. Now put this B value, that is equation 3, put equation 3 in equation 2. So this will become minus 3 into B value, now we have 7 minus A plus 8A is equals to A into B value is 7 minus A. So 7 3s are 21 plus 3A plus 8A is equals to 7A minus A square. Now take this A square to that side, it will become plus A square. Now 8A minus 7A will be 1A, 1A plus 3A will be 4A. So I have 4A. Here we have constant minus 21 is equals to 0. Now this is a quadratic equation. Okay, quadratic equation which will have two roots. Now let us factorize this. Factorize the given equation. Here the coefficient of A square is 1. So 1 into 21 will be 21. The factors of 21 will be 7 3s are. Right, 7 minus 3 I will get 4. Okay, so the factors will be A square. Now this 4 can be splitted as 7A minus 3A minus 21 equal to 0. Now take A common from first two factors. Now take minus 3 common from other two factors. So I'll get A plus 7 equal to 0. Now these two are same, can be taken out as common, left with A n minus 3. Now equate to 0, I'll get A is equals to minus 7 and A is equals to 3. Put this value of A in equation 3. So I'll get B. B value we have, what is the value of B? 7 minus A. 7 minus A. Okay, 7 minus A. So this will become 7 minus of minus 7. This will be 14. B value will be 14 if A is this. Otherwise the B value will be 7 minus A will be 3 here. So I'll get 4. So we have two values of A and B, that is A is minus 7 and B will be 14. Let us take this as case 1. So the equation will now become x by A plus y by B is equals to 1. Right, the LCM will be 14. Here I will get minus 2x plus y is equals to 1. Now if I cross multiply, I will get 2x plus y is equals to 14. If I rearrange this, I will get 2x minus y plus 14 is equals to 0. Or if I take A value, if I take A value 3 and B value 4, here that will be case 2. Okay, so x by A plus y by B is equals to 1. Here the LCM will be 12. This will become 4x plus 3y is equals to 1. So here I have 4x plus 3y is equals to 12. So we have two answers here. The question is the equation of a line which passes through this point and cut off the positive intercepts. So he said positive intercepts, right? So the correct answer will be this one. This will be the correct answer because here we have negative intercept also. right? Negative intercept. But in the question, what is mentioned? He mentioned positive intercepts. So we have to eliminate this answer. Okay, if he didn't mention this positive, then both will be the answers. As he has mentioned positive, so we have to take this as the answer. Find the equation of the line having intercepts a comma b on the axis respectively such that a plus b is 5, ab equal to 21 by 4. Now here the word intercept comes, so we use intercept form. Let x by a plus y by b is equals to 1 be the equation of line such that a plus b is given as 5 and ab is given as 21 by 4. Now from this I'll take the value of b as 5 minus a. Now put this value in this ab here, so this will now become a into this b value. B value is now we have 5 minus a is equals to 21 by 4. So multiply this a here, I'll get 5a minus a square is equals to 21 by 4. So here we cross multiply here, this will be 5 4s will be 20a minus 4a square is equals to 21. Now rearrange this, this will become 4a square minus 20a plus 21 is equals to 0. This is a quadratic equation in A. It has two factors. Let us factorize it. Let us factorize this. Here we have 4 coefficient of the square into 21. Now I'll take the factors of 4 as 2 into 2 and the factors of 21 as 7 into 3. So 2 7s will be 14, 2 3s will be 6. So I am taking this factor 14 into 6 because 14 plus 6 will give us 20. So this will become 4a square minus 6a minus 14a plus 21 is equals to 0. Now take common from these two factors. 2 is common and a is common, so 2a is common, so this will become 2a minus 3. Here in these two factors, the common here 14 and 21 is common to 7's table. So take 7 minus 7 common, I'll get 2a minus 3 is equals to 0. So 2a minus 3 is common, so take 2a minus 3 common, we are left with 2a minus 7 equal to 0. Now equate these two factors to 0. 2a minus 3 equal to 0. A will be 3 by 2 and 2a minus 7 is equals to 0. A will be 7 by 2. Now which implies the value of b will be, here we have b is 5 minus a. 5 minus a, this equation 5 minus a means 3 by 2. So this value will be, take LCM here, 2 5s are 10, 10 minus 3 will be 7 by 2. Okay, so we are getting two values of a. Here also I'll get b value as 5 minus 7 by 2. So 2 5s are 10, 10 minus 7 will be 3. So I'll get 3 by 2. Okay, we got two values for a and b. Both are same only. Here the value of a is same as the value of b. Here the value of A is same as value of B. So let us take any one of them. Let us take A as 7 by 2 and B as 7 by 2 and B is 3 by 2. Now put these two values in equation 1. Here we have this equation 1. Equation 1 is x by A. X by A plus y by B is 1. So this will become 2x. This will multiply here. So 2x by 7 plus 2y by 3 is equals to 1. Now take LCM. 7 3s will be 21. This will become 3 to 2 will be 6 plus 14 y is equals to 1. So cross multiply this, I'll get 6x plus 14y is equals to 21. Okay, the answer will be 14x plus 6x plus 14y equal to 21 will be the answer for this question.